As part of our lecture series on organic chemistry, in addition to the video lectures I've already provided you with, I would also like to discuss with you the end of chapter questions from the book Chemistry Cubed that you can try to solve at home first and then watch the video once you're looking for the answers. But before I actually dive into the analysis and the solutions for the different questions, I would like to give you a few general remarks on the type of questions that you can find in organic chemistry exam and maybe also in general organic chemistry. So in general, you find 4 types of questions in these organic chemistry. And the first question you can see here at the top left corner, and that's in general if you have a substrate available and you know the conditions. The question is what kind of product is formed from the substrate under these specific conditions. The second type of questions can be if you know the conditions and you know the product, what is the starting material? What do you need to put in to actually get to this kind of product here? The third type of question is what kind of conditions do you need to transform a specific substrate into a product? And this is something that is, I would say, most realistic also for a real-life application of organic chemistry, because most of the time you would like to synthesize a specific product, and then you need to find out, okay, what starting materials may I use, and then how can I find my defined starting materials using certain organic reactions into my desired product. And the last question is the question, if you know maybe the substrate, the conditions and the product, what is maybe the mechanism, what is maybe the intermediate, what is maybe a transition state that's involved in the transformation of the substrate into the product. And of course, there are also different combinations of these questions. So for example, first you maybe need to find out what are the conditions, and then you should analyze, okay, what is the mechanisms for the conditions that you provided, how does the reaction actually proceed? So maybe it's like a 2-step question where you first need to find out the conditions and then describe the mechanism in detail. But in general, I would say these 4 types of questions are the basis for theoretical organic chemistry.